Okay, Saber fans, Jimmy is back. Jimmy from Jimmy's Saber Junk. So, I'm going to show you my twist and click double crystal chamber OLED Bluetooth FDM printed chassis. The emitter has got the stock MPXL V3. I think it's V3. If I am wrong, my bad. It's also got the stock PCB thin neck MPXL connectors within here to make this easier. You may have seen it in another video of mine. Makes it 100% easier. So let's get this turned on. Now, we're going, where's the second crystal? It's behind the OLED. Right there. And then you've got one up here. So, because this goes into the Survivor pommel, like so, you might be wondering, god damn it, do I need to buy two complete chassis if I use the Fallen Order pommel, which is coming soon? No. Good thing is, you don't. All you have to do is twist and click the Boston chamber off, like so. And I haven't actually wired this one in yet, but this will be a different type of crystal chamber for the Fallen Order broken pommel. So we'll put this one back in now. Snap. Right, so we've got a 22mm speaker. A lot of people don't think 22mm are very good. They are fantastic. They just have to be encapsulated correctly. Which this is a nice tight fitting around the outside of the rim here. Projects the sound really well. Now I'm going to keep it on low purely because I've got to talk to you. But they are very, very good. The sound venting is hidden in my Survivor design. I'm just going to plug this in, twist and click, like so. Turn it on. I thought I'd put that on lower than that, but never mind. It's still quite loud. Super solid design. You can still get the 18650 battery out of the chassis if it's stationary in the hilt. Of course, if you're just going to buy one hilt and you don't want the twist and click feature, you can just all wire it through without the extra PCBs, without the connections all the way through to the emitter piece, and that's entirely up to you. You don't have to install this one if you're just going to use the Survivor pommel. It's entirely up to you. You could save some money doing it that way. Let's put the pommel on. Nice and tight. If anything, it sounds better, even more so and even more clear, by having the pommel on. Extra resonance, I guess. So I'm trying to remember the controls. No, okay. Cyan. Let's go to a different colour entirely. There you go. How do I turn for music? There we go. Okay. So yeah, just wanted to show you guys the new twist and click FDM print there. Twist and click OLED Bluetooth chassis. I've already connected to my phone, but I'm using my phone to record what I'm doing. So maybe I'll borrow the missus when she comes back. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Appreciate that. Have a good day.